Good day everyone, I am Angeline M. Lingaw-Lingaw from BSBA 1B and today I'm going to discuss about the Lesson 11, Works of Luna and Amor Solo. Learning Objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to first, understand the role of art as a reflection of historical and societal context. Second, analyze the artworks of Juan Luna and Fernando Amorsolo within the context of Philippine history. Third, examine the artistic techniques used by both artists. Last but not the least, evaluate the impact of Juan Luna and Fernando Amorsolo on Philippine art and society. By the end of the report, I hope you will gain a deeper understanding about the works of Luna and Amorsolo. Art is like a mirror of the culture, societal norms, values, and beliefs of the time it was created. It means that art reflects the way people live, what they believe in, and what was important to them during a certain period. Through art, we can understand a society's cultures, traditions, and way of thinking at that time. Art acts as historic record, visually documenting the people of the time, significant personalities, either those that created huge impact on the mundane everyday things. Art shows what life was like in the past, capturing important people, events, and everyday moments as a record of history. Juan Luna, Life and Influence. Born on October 25, 1857 in Badok, Ilocos Norte. Luna was naturally talented in art, and his mother helped him develop that talent when he was young. When Juan Luna was a child, he loved to draw and paint, so his mother encouraged him by giving him materials and letting practice his art. When he was 14 years old, he studied at the Academy of Drawing and Painting in Manila to learn and improve his art skills. Juan Luna traveled to Europe, specifically Spain, in 1877. So Juan Luna went to Spain in 1877 to study art while his brother Manuel studied music, and they both live in Madrid. Juan Luna won a gold medal in Spain for his paintings Polarium, which showed the pain and struggle of Filipinos under the Spanish rule. His victory brought honor to the Philippines and proved Filipino talent to the world. Polarium is a famous painting made by Juan Luna in 1884. The painting symbolizes the suffering and operations of Filipinos. Through his artwork, Luna expressed the pain, struggle, and hope for freedom of the Filipino people. And today, Polarium considered one of the greatest masterpieces in art, and makita ang paint sa National Museum of Philippines. Works of Luna, The Death of Cleopatra, La Muerte de Cleopatra. Juan Luna's painting, The Death of Cleopatra, won a second-place award in Spain, showing his great skill in art and storytelling. This achievement made him well-known in Europe and helped prepare him for his bigger success rather with Polarium in 1884. So as you can see sa paintings or pictures, Cleopatra lying lifeless on her throne with servant and guards around her. So makita ninyo sa picture, drama kaayo o punog emosyon. The painting showed katapangan at malungkot na katapusan ni Cleopatra, na maski pili mamatay ni Cleopatra nga naay dignidad. It reflects the power, beauty, and sacrifice.